Hi, friend. Hi. Are you here to get your makeup done today? Right. Did you have an appointment? At 2? Okay, perfect. You're here right on time. Okay. And looks like your appointment's with me. That's so exciting. You've never been here before, right? Okay, perfect. I love meeting new clients. Yeah. Why don't you follow me over to my chair? We'll get you all set up, okay? Okay, so is there anything in particular that you're looking for today? It's your birthday. Oh my goodness, happy birthday. Yeah. How old are you turning? Oh, you look amazing for your age. You're welcome. Is there anything in particular you had in mind for your birthday? Like any Pinterest pictures or anything? Okay, yeah. Let me see. So in my opinion, I don't think you need a lot of makeup. You have a very soft face. And I don't think you need like Insta baddie makeup. That makes sense. Let me see. I think we could do like a really soft. Please ignore the snoring. It's my cat. Yes, the shop cat. She likes to snore. So sorry about that. She's blissfully asleep. So anyway, like I said, I don't think you need like Insta baddie looks. I think you need like a soft glitter, some pretty foundation, a pretty pink blush, some pretty like light lashes, or even just mascara. Look down for me. Look down. Yeah, you have really long eyelashes, so maybe no lashes, but it's your birthday, so it's up to you. Okay, perfect. I think I have everything here that I need. So let us go ahead and get started. So to start, I'm just going to put this headband on you, okay? Just get your hair out of your face. I can't stand when I see someone do their makeup and they have hair in their face. I'm like, you have to push it back, right? And it looks like you had your hair done for your birthday, so I don't want to mess it up. Okay, just gonna put this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's get started. I prefer to do your eyes first, just in case there's any fallout. I do want to use this pretty glitter. It looks so pretty. I think you'll really like it, and it'll go with any outfit that you're gonna wear. Okay. So let us prime your eyes with some concealer. So if you don't mind me asking, I like to ask new clients. Just close your eyes for me. Okay. Sorry. How did you hear about the salon? Just gonna blend that out, okay? Okay, on Instagram. I think they just started doing that actually, so it's nice to know. Did you see me on there? Yeah. Yeah, we kind of do all look alike. It is family owned, so it's me, my cousins, and my sisters. My mom used to be here too, but she's kind of old. Yeah, I know, isn't that so sweet? Anyway, let's use this really pretty palette. Oh, it matches your dress. That's so cute. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. Okay, So I'm just gonna take a neutral kind of brownie color, put it in your eye, in your eye crease. It's just gonna, have a backdrop for the glitter, okay? Just a little backdrop for the glitter, Just keep your eyes closed. Just keep your eyes closed. Okay, so pretty. Now for the glitter. Isn't it so pretty? It's like the dupe for Urban Decay, I think. Just going to take a little bit of that. Just gonna pat. Are you doing okay? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about that. There's just like some noises in the back. Like I said, my family is here. You're the only clients right now, but they're just hanging out in the back. They're waiting for their clients. Yeah, so don't let them scare you. And like I said, we have our little shop cat, so she's running around here. She sleeps and then she runs, So next up, I'm just going to do the faintest little flick, okay? I just think it would look pretty on your eye color. Just like a little flick. So this side. Oh, that looks so pretty. You don't mind if I take pictures after, do you? Oh yeah, my family's gonna want to see. Well, they'll come out probably, but not for a while. You may leave before then. So, I don't know. They're a little strange. I'm kind of the normal one. Yeah. Foundation. Let's do your foundation, okay? Are you doing anything special tonight? Obviously for your makeup to be done. Oh, going to dinner? Are you going with friends, family? Do you have a partner? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't mean to be intrusive. Just getting to know clients, Oh, you don't have a partner. Oh, that's okay. You don't have to be upset about that. Just gonna do your forehead. Okay. Looks so good. Do you want to look in the mirror and just kind of see what you like about it so far and what you don't? Right, the eyes look so pretty, right? I know. You look a new person. Not to say you look bad without makeup, I love to see the transformation my makeup does. Yeah. So next up, more concealer for the under eyes. Oh, that. Don't worry about that. I'm pretty sure it's just my sister fooling around. Oh yeah, I have, sisters my age, but there's also some younger siblings here, so you may hear them running amok. Yeah. Just blending. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, so let's see. Let's do some contour for you. If you just want to do your cheeks in, like, okay, perfect. just gonna do it like here-ish, okay? The temple. Perfect. Don't worry. They probably will come out soon to look at your makeup. They are a bit strange, but it's okay. It's okay, you don't have to worry too much. I'm just gonna blend this side, up around your temples. It looks so good. It looks like a brand new you. You okay? Oh, don't worry. I think it's gonna turn out so lovely. Wait, let's do your blush now. If you just want to smile for me. You have really pretty teeth. Yes, they're so perfect. Do you have veneers or anything? I don't mean to be rude about it. It's just you have really nice teeth. I'm just wondering. You know, everybody has veneers and lip fillers nowadays. Which, by the way, do you have lip fillers? They feel quite soft. Well, I am doing your makeup, so I just want to make sure I don't use any thing that will hurt the filler, like maybe a plumping product or something would bother it. You don't have filler? Good for you. Good for you. Anyway, well, let's blend out your blush. Okay. How much longer is this gonna take? It should take much longer. I mean, I'm almost done. I still have to do your lashes and maybe a little bit of a brow product, like some gel or something. I'm sorry, are you uncomfortable? Well, I don't think anything is going on for you to be uncomfortable, my dear. My family are in the back. They're not gonna bother you. Like I said, they may come out and look at your makeup, but that's all. I don't think you need to be worried about anything. Let's just take a moment to breathe. Are you nervous about your party? A lot of people are gonna be there. Oh, it's just with your parents. That's sweet. Anyway. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do your mascara. Just hold still for me. You have long lashes. Do you just want mascara, or I can do fake lashes like mine? Okay, just mascara. Just blink, 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 blink. Then the other side. Blink, 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 blink. And blink, 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 blink. They look so pretty. Well, you can rest now. We're almost done. I will do your lip liner now. Do you want a nude, a red, or a pink? Because I think a pink, since your eyes are a bit nude. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm perfectly fine. Just hold still for me while I do your lip liner. Perfect. Very perfect. Perfect person. And now, your lip gloss. Oh, you have to have lip gloss. It's your birthday. Let us do your lip gloss. My family should be coming out shortly. They're gonna love to see you. Just do your lips like. Oh, you look perfect. Just how I wanted you to look. Yes, look in the mirror. What's wrong? Yes, you do look like me now. Well, minus the lashes. Oh, but they're gonna be so happy. My family. We've been desperately needing somebody new. You do look like me, but you also look slightly different enough to be a sister, a cousin. They're gonna be so happy. Oh, don't worry. Your birthday was the perfect day to come in. We're gonna take the best care of you. Especially since it seems you live such a lonely life. We'll be a real family to you. And also, you get a cat. She's so cute. Just settle in,